Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the love and support. Umangwabe made a brutal, honest statement about Sneh that has left Mzansi shocked and oddly satisfied. In a tense exchange, Mangwabe did not hold back, stating that Sneh is not fully developed mentally because she continues to act without thinking, despite the fact yokuthi umdala. Mangwabe has finally said what many have been thinking all along. Mbali and others in the family has tried repeatedly to show Sneh love, guidance, and patience, yet each time she is met with disrespect and emotional manipulative behavior from someone who should know better. Instead of owning up to her action or showing any sign of growth, Sneh often resorts to blaming others or twisting the narrative to make herself a victim. Her failure to acknowledge her own role in conflict has been exhausting to witness, not only for her family, but also for the loyal fans of the show who have been supporting her through difficult times. Is Sneh unwilling to change, or is she truly incapable of seeing the damage she caused? Thank you so much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.